So to make this project, the requirements that we need are an Arduino board, breadboard, a 13 LEDs, that is blue and red LEDs, one 220 ohm resistor, some male to male jumper wires, and a USB cable to upload the code from our laptop to this Arduino board. So without any delay, let's see the connections. So before going to the connections part, I would request you, if you have visited for first time to my YouTube channel, then don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get a instant notification from me while I'm uploading new videos like this. So without any delay, let's see the connections. So after that, take Arduino board and a connect a jumper wire from ground of Arduino to the another portion of this resistor. After that, from 13 to 0, we have to connect the jumper wires to the positive side of LEDs. Let me connect. This is the connections which are made between LEDs and this Arduino board. Let us connect this and upload the code. So let's move to our laptop screen to see the coding part. Let's move. So friends, this is our coding part. Here I have declared I'm moving it. Here I have declared the LED pin, that is LED 0 as 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 13. That means we have used the pins 0 to 13. And here in void setup I have set the pin mode, that is LED output, LED 0 output, LED up to LED 13 output. uh, so so as I have promised for 16 effects of LEDs, so this is going to be our pattern 1. This is the code for pattern 2. This is the code for pattern 3. This is the code for pattern 4. This is the code for pattern 5. This is the code for pattern 6. You can check the code link in the description. You can use it as well. So as I have promised, here I have designed up to pattern 16, like the LEDs will blink in 16 pattern mode. Okay, so don't worry, I will provide the code link and the circuit diagram link in the description. Please check it out if you are interested to do it by yourself. So I'm doing all those things for you. If you enjoying my video, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit a like button and comment for my future videos. So let's verify it whether it's working or not. So I have to save. So here we can see the code is compiled successfully without any errors. So let's upload this into our Arduino board and see the results, how the LED is blinking and what are the patterns. That is, we have included 16 patterns to it. So let's see the output. So after uploading the code, this is our final result. Here we can see the patterns are changing. So hope you friends you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to put a like and hit a comment on the comment section. And if you visited for first time to my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the instant notification from me. Thanks for watching, and all codes and circuit diagrams in the links in the description. Please check it out. Thank you.